Let me go
Hey,
first.
buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Today, I'm gonna show you what I got for the 65.
You'll never let me go
It's
first.
a lowrider, so yep, I had to get the hydros.
I hate you.
But before we get into it, I gotta tell you,
Okay.
it was a part that was missing, but the guy fixed it.
Wait, how did he fix it? Just watch the clip.
Hi, Gerald. I want to thank you personally for your business. The Pro Dancer kit does not have the black plastic O's in it due to parts back orders. We have given you extra metal O's, which will give you the same result. The black plastic O's will be back in stock within a few weeks. I am giving you some free accessories as my appreciation for your order. Thanks again. Sincerely, Jeff, President.
What was that?
Alright, so basically, you know what I'm saying? I don't know anything about the model car hydraulics,
Yeah, me either.
but it was supposed to be one aluminum
Okay.
and one plastic part. I guess the plastic one was supposed to go in the back, but the letter said that they were out of that part, and so he gave me, you know, an extra aluminum one.
Oh, that's cool.
Which is all good because I don't
That's
know
nice
anything
of him.
about it
You know what I'm
anyway.
saying?
But because they didn't have that part, he went ahead and gave me some extra stuff. You know what I'm saying? He gave me all this stuff right here,
Okay.
which he didn't have to do. You know what I'm saying? But you know, shout out to him for that.
Shout out to you, sir.
Got the gold knockoffs.
Gold spinners.
Looking
I
nice.
see you. You got some more?
Got some more gold knockoffs.
They look nice. Oh, man.
Got the gold center cap.
You got that good, that centerpiece. That's lit.
He gave me that gold, that bullet knockoff.
Oh, the bullet. Okay.
Yeah, we got some chrome knockoffs.
He hooked you up.
Pokemon card.
What is that?
I don't know nothing about Pokemon. Might get that to the nephews.
Yeah, they gotta go to the nephews.
Got a Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck. Is that her name?
You might have to
Mickey Mouse collector card, I guess. I don't know nothing about that either. Digimon, upside down.
turn it over. It's upside down.
Yeah, you get it. He gave me this window plaque for Click Car Club. So now let's crack open this kit.
Man, hurry up, open it up.
Man, you gotta be patient.
What you mean?
Why you keep coming into my videos
Like
though?
you didn't invite me to be in here? Man, you better shut up.
So we got 3 sheets of instructions, front and back.
That's kind of excessive, ain't it?
That's nice. You know what I'm saying? Detailed.
Yeah, I guess you can call it detail. That's cool.
I like the pictures. Why you always wait till I talk to talk? I don't understand.
That's tripping, man. Just to make it look like it's, two different people.
So we got a whole bag of goodies, huh?
I got a whole bag of goodies. Sharing is caring, bro. Sharing is
I don't
caring.
care.
So what is that, man, don't shush
Just
me.
be quiet. Just watch.
That's why don't nobody like you.
And now seeing all these electronics and everything, you know what I'm saying? I'm having flashbacks of the Monte Carlo, and
You ain't never lying.
Whew.
Monte Carlo
I
was
don't
the
know if
best.
I'm ready to jump into some electronics,
Monte
but
Carlo went perfectly.
we go try it for this kit. And it got 4 motors, man.
4?
You know what I'm saying? 4 whole motors. So we go do that. And oh, let me show you the wheels I got. I got some wheels. I bought these. He didn't give me these extra. I bought these. You know what I'm saying?
Guess you just missed the money bags, huh?
Got the chrome D's, you know what I'm saying? Throw them on there. Pop this bad boy open. Show you what they look like.
Now, that's a nice
They look
wheel.
real nice. I
They
like
look
that.
Real nice.
I might throw one of these spinners on there or something, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know.
I don't know, I
about
might
that,
leave
man.
it
Just
without it.
keep it plain.
Or that bullet. Where the bullet at? That might
Let's
look
see what they
good.
look like.
I mean, it all look good, you know. So, like I
Well,
said, shout out to that dude, man, for
You got to use that bullet. Put the bullet on there.
setting me up with all these extra parts. because he didn't have the part
Hey, we get it. Shout
for
out
this
to him.
kit, but he could have just substituted it and called it a day. I wouldn't have never known, you know, because like I say, I don't do this
I
stuff.
gave you anything.
So,
huh?
yeah, his name is Jeff. He say the president. He's the president of
That's
the
Donald Trump.
company or whatever.
Oh, that company. Okay.
But
about to say, that ain't the president.
yeah, he gave me those extra parts. Didn't have to. I appreciate it though. You know what I'm saying? I always appreciate, you know, extra free stuff. You know what I'm saying? So
It's always good to get extra.
shout out to
free
you
stuff.
for that, bro.
Extra free stuff.
Yeah. So I'm gonna jump into this this lowrider, do what I could do to it. You know what I'm saying? Put my little twang onto it. You know. Like I say, I know a lot of y'all gonna be looking at it and be like, you know what, man, you don't even have to work in 8 arms. You know, you can't even turn the wheels. You know, mine rolls and all. I mean, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you. But I can't do all that right now. I'm just trying to get this model looking nice.
Looking crispy, huh?
Get it to where it's operationable. You know what I'm saying?
Wait.
Operationable.
Don't
Operate.
cut.
I'm trying to get it to work. You know what I'm saying?
And we out.
And it's gonna look real nice. I have bought an airbrush.
I thought that was the end of the
An
video.
airbrush kit. I'm gonna try to, when I go home, I'm gonna try to get the hang of that.
Come on, dude.
I'm gonna try to airbrush it. You know what I'm saying? Try to throw some.
You just kept going.
I might try to throw some designs on it. You know what I'm saying? I might.
All right, man. Whatever.
I don't know. I might surprise y'all with the paint.
You're not
You
gonna
know?
surprise me.
I don't know though.
I'm
Don't
gonna
hold me
be the
to
one
it.
painting it.
But yeah, it's gonna look nice, especially with them D's. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
you're right.
It's gonna
You
look
should
real
show them
nice.
what it look like together.
Let me pop that thing open because I know y'all kind of curious of what it's really gonna look like.
You read my mind.
Cause I am. You know what I'm saying?
Talking.
So yeah,
What is this? No peeking.
I'm doing some body work on it, so
Come
don't
on,
mind
man.
the little body work parts. But
Okay.
yeah, that's gonna look real nice.
All right. Yeah. Oh, got the switches. He got something in the
Yeah.
back. Oh, he got him in the back too. Uh-oh.
Watch out now. Yeah. So yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Actually, what are you saying?
Now I know I probably won't. Well, I'm pretty sure I ain't gonna be able to keep the motor. And it say with the kit, it say I can keep the interior. So
That's what they say.
it's gonna have a nice interior. Well, it's a station wagon, so you're gonna be able to see the stuff in the back. I might have to.
You're gonna be able to see the motors.
I might have to.
I don't know about that.
I might have to dress them motors up, man, in the back, cause they gonna be visible through these windows. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So
you
I
can
might.
hook the motors up.
Your boy might have to paint up
Paint
the
them up or
motors or something. You know what I'm saying? But
Okay, I don't even know why I
I
doubted
don't
you.
know.
I don't know why I.
Yeah, I'm
doubted
gonna make the
you. You
interior
always
looking
come
nice.
through,
The
man.
exterior definitely gonna be looking nice. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. I'm gonna throw a lot of chrome on it. A lot of chrome.
huh? Yep.
Yeah. But anyway, that's what we working with. You know what I'm saying? We got all this. Got all this stuff right here.
Oh, you gonna show us the layer,
You know what I'm saying?
the back cave?
For that, you know, got the D's.
Got the D's.
It's all good. So yeah, got Star Trek on.
Star
Next
Trek.
Generation.
Oh, Next Generation. That's the worst Star Trek ever, man.
But anyway,
You should have the original on. You know that
I'm
Captain
gonna go ahead and
Kirk.
hook that up.
It don't take all that to set a camera down.
Yeah. So looking forward to this build. You know, I'm working on a couple models right now. You know, of course, I'm working on that Camaro. I'm working on this lowrider, and I'm kind of dibbling and dabbling with some other models, a few other models. So I'm kind of busy with the models and everything, but you know, it's just a time thing. I gotta, you know, make time for it. You know, that's where I'm bad at that. You know what I'm saying? Cause
Why are you looking at me?
you know, I'm a truck driver, and right now I'm waiting to get a load. You know, and so I gotta fit it in where I can, and I'm gonna be going home I'm gonna be going home in a little bit, so I should be able to get a lot done. You know, I think it's spring break starting next week back at home. So I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna try to get a lot done at home. Utilize that time, you know, that free time a little bit better than I have been doing. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, we know what you're saying.
I gotta kick it with my nephews too, though. Spring break.
Yeah,
but anyway,
nephews.
yeah. So thanks for watching. You know what I'm saying?
You're welcome.
Like, subscribe, comment.
Subscribe.
I appreciate all y'all. I really do. Thank you for watching. Thank all y'all. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned and watch where this go. Even if it don't go nowhere, just watch where it go.
Wait, what?